Hi there. You know what they say, better late than never. All right, so today I'm just popping in quickly to give you an update after the hysterectomy. I have been really watching what I'm eating, but I did have to go talk to the doctor and get some help to get this weight off. I don't know if you're struggling like I've been struggling since the hysterectomy and after menopause, but at 60, this weight was definitely not budging at all. Today is Memorial Day. I am just finishing up a few things in the office here, as you can see, my computer. And I'm also working on a gentle flow yoga, focusing on slimming the midsection and toning the arms and everything that we tend to struggle with as we get older. But back to the other initial topic here is weight loss after the hysterectomy. It is hard. It's been very hard for me. I know there's going to be people out there that'll say something like to stop eating or, exercise more or do this or do that. We're not all the same. So you need to find what works for you. Like I said, I was struggling on everything, trying anything and everything to get the weight off. I even had to have my ring cut off the finger that my wedding band was on. I had an anniversary ring that had been on probably 30 years and I couldn't get it off. And even no matter what I was doing to lose the weight, it just wasn't coming off enough. So I ended up getting that wedding band cut off, but I have made progress. And like I did mention, I did have to go and talk to the doctor about it because it was not coming off. I am taking a supplement that the doctor recommended. It's called L-tyrosine, Tyrosine, and that is working for me. Of course, I'm a fitness instructor. I teach 9 to 12 classes a week, depending what day it is. I am very active. I hike, I kayak, I swim. Tomorrow I'm biking, so I'm not sitting around doing nothing. So even with the high activity level that I have, it just wasn't budging. So from me to you, if you are struggling like I have been struggling, I think we're like 8 years now since my hysterectomy, go talk to your doctor and tell them what's going on, get all the tests done, just get yourself some help because it's probably not anything you're doing. Like I said, I was doing everything I possibly can to get this weight off and it was not budging. I am now down 50 pounds and I'm trying to get another 20 off. My hip is much better. I was having major problems with this right hip, and losing the weight has helped that. My cholesterol, especially my triglycerides, went from 373 down to 225 or 223, something like that, 220 something. And again, that's a direct result of the weight loss. So from me to you, please, if you're struggling, go talk to your doctor. That's what they're there for. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I'm going to try to get on here more often. I've just been working on my gentle flow class that I'm going to have out for everybody. It's going to be a free challenge, and I've also launched the my boho beach chick site, ilovebeachtrips.com, and that's been keeping me pretty busy too. So I will chat with you soon. You're amazing just the way you are, but please, if you're struggling like I have been struggling with this weight loss, go talk to your doctor. Bye, y'all.